The Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress MPYC and the Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress MPMC staged a protest at the Don Bosco Square in Layumkhra today, voicing strong opposition to the recent arrest of 2 Catholic nuns in Chhattisgarh and the growing number of attacks targeting the Christian community across India. Speaking at the protest, former MPYC Vice President Banphira Langbasa Yahmoj reportedly accused the BJP-led central government of fostering an environment that emboldens Hindu fundamentalist groups to act against minorities. He emphasized that the protest was rooted in the defense of religious freedom and was not intended to create communal discord. He further stated that the Congress party stands for the protection of all faiths and opposes any form of discrimination or harassment based on religion.
BJP kaya sensyar kalongum kejengai bo di tisit nyam Hindu kibadan hakeleng ke India bakin lekat bakabon bakin nya ba pharap kijajing pharap baper ban pentron ban smej ban penting ya kirit pa hani apokari India ke jongi oh hane hari khasi ke jongi hari khasi janti agaro ka jingnya mani blai ke jongi kadong lanjut tapalada hakli do asensya ki brio ki ba isi ki basyonya ki retpat nila banyo no ikisni ki jongi sakat no kali kisni bangila banya mani lanjut ya ka niam ka bangingen ke blai bangingen kene ke jinglum ke jongi kamdai bangilum banya pin songshin ban pin ya ban divide susu banya pia susu para japan rio rene ke jinglum ke jongi kadai ba hakapor besanyon ki beret toria ini don lang siken hon kejing ele ke jongi ke kongres kamdai banya syak siliang ino ino ri kejing ele jong kongres baru sikata kedai ban island banya buram markeliang banya pen baladodon keno kejing sanyon ben kasur jong kongres kan sawajam tinang ni syakman ngangit skem baki para jan berdiri ke jongi ki para citizen jong kanika jela ke jongi inlong ki bapetman inlong ki baskotho ya kerkomlong ka politics of India ka politics of division nimkwa ri ka politics ka ban unite ka politics ka banya penya teli kadai ka thong ka jongi ka congress.
Echoing similar concerns, the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee General Secretary Manuel Badwar reportedly criticized the BJP's political approach, describing it as divisive and aimed at polarizing voters. He warned that such tactics were contributing to an atmosphere of fear and increasing intolerance in the country.
Have I ever felt at any point of time living anywhere in any part of this country that I felt where Hindus were racist? I always felt that Hinduism per se, my experience is that it's something which embodies a kind of a feeling which we live as one. It is only in the recent times that we have noticed that politics has played an important role to ensure that there's a division, there's a divide and rule. And it's very bad that politics has taken that emotional angle rather than saying that we'll bring about development, rather than saying that we'll unite the entire country together. They have played in the role of divide so that they will gain electoral votes. And this is a very, very bad precedent that is being set. And it has been going on for the past 10 years, 11 years, 12 years now. And it is something which is very alarming. Because I believe that even for our friends, who are Hindu friends even in Shillong and even in Meghalaya, they live in peace. To see that this kind of divisive politics that is being played by various parties just so that they will win votes is something which is against the constitution, something which is against humanity, as I say. We as a Congress stand very much against, and we should not allow this. And I believe every community, every religion, every human that is existing, that is living in this land of ours, this beautiful land of ours, should not allow such things to even happen, and should not allow this thing to take precedence. And I believe so that as a Congress, and as people who actually feels for just about everybody that we live as one, that we need to unite in order for us to grow, in order for this country to grow. We believe that we need to come together and, we need to come together and condemn whatever is happening, and we need to show a voice. We need to show a voice so that the government of the state also takes action which is a little bit more, should I say, a little bit more stronger, a little bit more vocal,